The world had hunted him for years. Osama bin Laden's fortress was nestled deep in Abbottabad, hidden in plain sight. For months, CIA operatives studied every angle, every roofline, every pattern of movement within the compound.
The Navy SEALs meticulously planned the raid. Every entrance, every window, every possible threat considered.
Stealth helicopters were tested in simulations, ensuring the SEALs could infiltrate without detection.
Weapons were loaded, night vision goggles checked, and every SEAL knew their exact role. Precision was their only option.
Intelligence revealed the compound's security routines, including guard rotations and alarm systems.
The mission would be dangerous, but failure was not an option. Every second counted.
As the helicopters cut through the darkness, history was about to be written. The world would soon witness a raid unlike any other. Silently, the SEALs approached bin Laden's compound, their every move cloaked by darkness. Rappelling from the helicopters, the team landed precisely where intelligence had directed, ready for swift action. Every doorway and window was monitored. Surprise and speed were critical. Any noise could alert the targets.
The compound's walls were tall, but the SEALs had rehearsed every inch. Precision drones confirmed no movement outside.
Every SEAL checked his weapon, knowing that in these next moments, every shot mattered.
With a single, coordinated breach, the team entered the compound. Controlled chaos in motion.
Room by room, they advanced, neutralizing threats, maintaining stealth, and securing the objective. Ahead lay the world's most wanted man. The moment of truth was near, and every decision would be critical. Every step brought them closer to their target, the tension in the room almost unbearable. They entered the room with precision, ready for any threat, fully aware that the mission's success depended on these moments.
This was the moment intelligence had been pointing toward for years. A high-value target confirmed inside the room.
The SEALs acted with calculated precision, neutralizing any immediate threat and securing the high-value target.
Every second was critical. Communication was key as the team ensured that all objectives were met without compromise.
Evidence and intelligence were collected meticulously, ensuring that every piece could aid future operations.
Years of training, countless simulations, and unwavering focus culminated in this decisive operation.
With the target secured, the mission was not over. Extraction awaited, and the world watched with bated breath. Every move toward extraction was deliberate. Operators remained alert, knowing every second counted.
Perimeter threats were constantly monitored, ensuring the path to the helicopters remained secure.
With unmatched coordination, the SEALs boarded swiftly, leaving no room for error.
As they lifted off, the compound disappeared beneath them, leaving behind a mission accomplished.
With the primary objective secured, the focus shifted to maintaining control and awareness. The mission wasn't over yet. Discipline and vigilance remained critical.
Every second of transit was monitored. Stealth and speed were the only guarantee of safety.
Silent communication ensured the mission remained covert. Every SEAL reading cues instinctively.
The extraction was near completion, but history would remember every calculated move made in these tense minutes. The aircraft touched down after a long night. A complex operation had reached its conclusion, marking the end of one phase and the beginning of another. Critical intelligence was delivered, offering insights into global terrorist networks and future threats.
Every piece of evidence was dissected, analyzed, and stored to prevent future attacks.
The operation's success resonated globally, confirming the precision and capability of U.S. Special Forces.
For the men on the ground, this was a testament to training, teamwork, and unwavering dedication. The ripple effects of this mission changed counterterrorism strategies worldwide.
Lessons learned were immediately integrated into ongoing operations, ensuring continued readiness.
Operation Neptune Spear remains one of history's most daring missions.